Hello students, Vikas sir and welcome to VANIK. So since today we are going to discuss revenue inspector important question which was asked in 2021 revenue inspector main examination. So students, recently the revenue inspector examination is going on and still we are the team of the VANIK Smart. We are fully dedicated for your career, and now those students who are completed their preliminary examinations, now they are going to focus about their main, and main examination is the most valuable part for the merit list. So students, see here, this is the questions RI Revenue Inspector 2021 paper 2. So in the paper 2 part, one is English section is there and another is your computer awareness section is there. So both section consist of 50 plus 50 100 marks. So see here, total 200 marks is there and total question is 100 questions and each question carry out 2 marks. Okay, so this is the exact previous year question which was asked in Revenue Inspector 2021 examination. Let's go about the discussions of computer which is asked in the 2021 Revenue Inspector, right? So let's go about the questions. So one is GK paper is there, general English paper is there, another is your computer awareness paper is there. So in computer awareness paper we are going to discuss the important 50 questions which are asked. So let's go about these questions. Yes, part B, this is the computer test. So students, see here, this is the part B computer test. 50 marks is there, and as per the instruction, these questions consist of 25 number of questions and each question carry out 2 marks. So total is 50 marks. So 25 questions but evaluation is 50 marks. Okay, so let's go about the questions of your computer awareness paper, right? Write down question number 51. So students, those who are attend the class, do not miss the class today because these are the questions, and based upon this question your upcoming main examination will be arise. So this is the question which will be asked in your next examination, similar question. So important is that last 5-year question we need to discuss so that accordingly you people can plan for your upcoming examination. So question number 51, what is the question here? The purpose of control B shortcut key is MS Excel. So students, this is the question and it is a clearly printing mistake. It has mentioned in the examination question, and what is the mistake here? It is B, but it should be P. Control plus P. Then we can choose the answer. Open the print dialog box. Open the print dialog box, because for save dialog box we can use Control plus S. For print it is Control plus P. Okay, so paragraph and page formatting, there is no shortcut key. We need to move through the help of the mouse. So as here the printing mistake is there, so this is the question which was asked, and the Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission also given the guess mark. So students, see here, 51 question answer should be B, but instead of B it should be P. Control plus P. So Control plus P is the shortcut key which is used to open the print dialog box, and including the Control P, another alternative process. So students, remember, another alternative process is, instead of Control P, suppose it has asked about what is the function key used to print, okay, or to open the print dialog box. So instead of Control P we can use Control plus Shift plus F12. So instead of Control P, it's the alternative options. So students, remember that instead of Control P, it is the alternative options in order to open the print dialog and to print the documents or written documentation which is mentioned or created by a user. Then goes to question number 52. So what is the question number 52? So see here, the question number 52, it has asked Microsoft PowerPoint. It has asked related to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Which of the following tools enable you to add the text in the slide without using the standard placeholder? So students, it has asked about standard placeholder means it is nothing but the layout. Okay, so in MS PowerPoint there is the layout, means the template through which we can insert or edit or customize all type of text related documentations. But it has asked about without using this layout, how we can add the text in MS PowerPoint. So through the help of the insert menu and through the help of the text toolbox. So here answer is A and the option is text box. So through the insert menu, if you choose the text box, by using the text box, we can add any type of text and documentary in MS PowerPoint. So question number 52, here answer is A. Then goes to question number 53. So question number 53, dash display, that display each slide of the PowerPoint in the thumbnail and used to rearrange them. So it has asked the total number. Suppose in your presentation total number of slides are 15 and you need to arrange them from 1 to 15 in a systematic approach in a single view, and this is nothing but the slide sorter view, basically used to mention all the slide in the thumbnail and to arrange all the slides in a single view, and this is known as your slide sorter view. In slide show view, the total full screen will be open and the slide can be moved periodically or one by one. In slide design, some customization design through the related to graphics and designing we can do that. And slide display, it is display the slide individually. But if you go for the slide sorter view, the total number of slides we can see and we can arrange them, right? So question number 53, answer is B, slide sorter view. Goes to question number 54. Column, bar, pie, line, scatter are type of dash. So students, in Microsoft Excel means an electronic spreadsheet, and here various types of chart we can use to perform some representation of the mathematical calculation, like pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, stack chart, 100% stack chart. So all are nothing but the charts, and through the charts, specifically the mathematical calculations type of representations in a graphical way we can use through the help of the chart. And another important question is the important shortcut key is F11. Through the help of the F11 shortcut key we can add the chart in Microsoft Excel. So question number 54, here answer is A. Then goes to question number 55. Which of the following allow you to select more than one slide in the presentations? So multiple slides are there, and through the help of your control button we can use, through the help of the control button, multiple slides we can choose. So here we can choose the options control and click each slide. So option is C, control and choose each slide. So answer is C. Then goes to question number 56. The shortcut key to insert a new slide to the current presentation. So very popular question, students. It has asked about to add or insert a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint, and here shortcut key is Control plus M. Control M is used to create or add a new slide. Okay. Control N, it is used to open a new another PowerPoint file. But exit PowerPoint file, if you add new slides, then we can choose Control M. Control O, this is the open the existing files, and Control F, it is used for find. So question number 56, here answer is A, right? Then goes to question number 57. So in question number 57, which of the following is the smallest measurement? Which of the following is the smallest measurement of storage? So students, it has asked about among these units which is the smallest. So one is kilobyte is there, another is megabyte is there, another is terabyte is there, and one is byte is there. So students, among these four the smallest is byte. Among these four the smallest is byte, but if question is that the actual smallest measuring unit of memory, it is bit, B-I-T, bit. But among these four, answer is byte. So actual answer is bit, but among these four, the smallest is byte. So question number 57, answer is D. Then goes to question number 58. The main circuit board of the system. So in computer system, it has asked about the main circuit board. The main circuit board technically known as printed circuit board. Printed circuit board. And this printed circuit board specifically known as option B, motherboard. So motherboard of the computer system is known as the printed circuit board, or we can say PCB, or the main board, where all the physical components are interconnected. So question number 58, answer is B. Then goes to question number 59. It has asked Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is nothing but an wireless technology. So we can choose here wireless personal area network, WPAN. So it is a wireless personal area network through which individual system or devices or gadgets can be connected with each other. And what is the distance here? Wireless. Okay. So Bluetooth, its range is, so students remember that, what is the range of the Bluetooth? Its range is 10 meter, or we can say 30 feet. So its range is 10 meter, or we can say 30 feet. So question number 59, answer is A. Then goes to question number 60. If a new device is attached to the computer system such as printer or scanner, dash is used to install before the device can be used. So it has asked about the peripheral device. So peripheral device means extra add-on component to our computer system, like your printer and scanner. So these are nothing but the peripheral device. And when a peripheral equipment connected to the computer system, this machine, this gadget can be worked through the help of the additional software which need to install, and this is nothing but the driver software. So option is C, it is nothing but the driver software. So all the peripheral equipment we need to install its driver software through which the hardware part can be function. So question number 60 here, answer is C, driver. Then goes to question number 61. Verifications of a login name and password are known as there. While we are logging to our email ID, user ID, password is there. While we are logging to our internet, user ID, password is there. So for the login with the proper or the correct user ID and password, it is known as authentication. So the process is nothing but the authentication. So question number 61, answer is C. Troubleshooting means, remember students, troubleshooting means if any type of a hardware or software related issue is there, the machine need to troubleshoot, means to identify the exact problems or error, so that the troubleshooting means the solution can be carried out. So this is nothing but the troubleshooting. Configurations means when a system is composed by several components, we can say that it's configuration. This what are the parts are connected to form this, right? And another is logout. So when we after the login, after your work, when you out from your session, this is known as your logout. So question number 61, answer is C, and this is nothing but your authentications. Then goes to question number 62. Internet Explorer falls under dash. So students remember that as it was the question of 2021, okay, it is the oldest question. Now Internet Explorer has changed with a new name. This is known as Microsoft Edge. So Internet Explorer, it was a browser, and now it is known as with a new name Microsoft Edge. So it is nothing but a web browser. And what is the use of this web browser? Web browser specifically designed as an application software and through which the user can access the services of internet. So it is a very popular question. If question is that dash refers to an example of application software through which user can access the services of internet, here answer is web browser. So Internet Explorer belongs to option C, browser. Then goes to question number 63. In a network, the computer that store the file and process the data. So in a computer network, some powerful computer system are connected through which it can manages the email, it can manages the file, it can manages the database, okay, it can manages the different type of application also. So those manages the file and process, this is simply we can say the server, and server to which the user can give the request, and as per the request the user can access the relevant information which is providing by the server. So question number 63 answer is server. So there is a term in option C, modem. It is a very popular question. Modem is nothing but hardware equipment, networking hardware equipment through which specifically if you connected the landline telephone lines through which we can access the internet connectivity, and it stands for modulator, demodulator, modulator and demodulator. Okay, so question number 63 answer is A, server. Then goes to question number 64. www. So what does it mean www? World Wide Web. So here option is World Wide Web, option B. And another important question related to www, who is the person considered as the father of www? So simply we can say the answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee, L-E-E. So Tim Berners-Lee is the person who is considered as the father of www, World Wide Web. Then goes to question number 65. Which kind of attempt is made by the individual to obtain the confidential information from falsifying the personal identity? So this is nothing but a phishing trip, and specifically comes through your email and through the spam, means the unwanted, unsolicited email. Through the spam, the user can access the confidential and personal information like credit card, debit card, internet banking, or any type of important confidential information. So this is nothing but a cyber crime, and the answer is phishing scam. Answer is B, and it is nothing but your phishing spam. Then go to question number 66. It has asked about what is an email, electronic mail. Okay, so before going to the explanation, so students, I am telling to you, email in the year 1972. Okay, the person who is considered as the father of email, Ray Tomlinson. Ray Tomlinson. The person who has created the concept of email, that's why the person is known as the father of email. And what is an email? It is simply we can say the transmission of the file and messages through the computer network. So here answer is B. Okay, but see here option C, a real-time type conversation. This is nothing but chatting. Okay, like your WhatsApp chat, Insta chat, Telegram. So multiple platforms are there. We are going for the real-time type conversation. This is nothing but the chatting, but here email. Both documents and text-related files we can send along with the attachment. It is nothing but the email. Then goes to question number 67. How we can check the look of the document before printing in MS Word? So students, remember that if you prepare a documentation file or any different types of agenda in your Microsoft MS Word, so before going to the print, we need to check whether the margin, alignments, indentation, header, footer, okay, so everything is in the perfect position or not. For this purpose, we are choosing an option, and this is nothing but the print preview option. So what is the shortcut key for this print preview? This is nothing but Control plus F2. So Control plus F2 is the shortcut key basically used to choose the print preview. Control P, it is used for print, but print preview, this is Control plus F2. So what is the difference? Print preview Print review is nothing but an action before going to the printing of a document. We need to thoroughly check about the alignments, about the indentation, about the header footer, about the page number, whether all are will be in the proper position or not, right? Then goes to question number 68. What is the shortcut key is used for undo? So students, undo and redo, these are the very popular actions related to different types of work like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. Okay, so what is the concept of undo and redo? Undo is previous and redo is forward, means backward and forward change. Backward change is undo, forward change is redo. So for undo we need to choose Control Z, Control plus Z, and Control Y. This is nothing but the redo, forward change. So as it has asked about the backward change, so we need to choose here option C, Control plus Z. Control X, this is nothing but the cut or move operations, cut or move. Then goes to question number 69. The quickest and easiest way in MS Word to locate a particular word phrase of a document to use the command. So in order to identify or locate any type of word or sentence, we need to choose the options find, and its shortcut key is Control plus F. Control plus F. For replace, we need to choose Control plus H. Okay, and find, this is Control plus F. So question number 69, answer is B. Then goes to question number 70. What is the purpose of the header and footer used in the documents? So see here, it has given the option to mark the starting of the ending pages. Yes, it is correct. To allow the page header and footer to appear on the document when it is printed. Yes, it is also correct. To enhance the overlap of appearance of the document. Yes, it is also correct. So question number 7, we can choose answer is all of these above. So through the help of the header and footer, we can add the page number, we can add the heading, we can add the footer documentation also, as well as we can enhance the overlapping of the text by balancing the header and footer. So question number 17, answer is all of these above, D. Then goes to question number 71. It has asked about the purpose of Control B, very popular question, easy question, Control B, B for bold. So we can choose to make the selected text to bold. So Control B is basically used to bold the documentations, right? Then goes to question number 72. In an electronic spreadsheet, means Excel, you can activate cell. So what does it mean cell? Cell means the intersection space by using the rows and column. So in MS Excel, as vertical lines are column and horizontal lines are rows, by intersection of these box are nothing but the cell. And through the help of the mouse or keyboard, we can activate the cell. Like we can use enter key, we can use arrow key, we can click through the mouse. So let's say option, pressing the tab key, yes, it is also correct. Clicking on the cell, it is also correct. Pressing arrow key, it is also correct. So here answer is D, all of these above. So question number 72, answer is D, and we need to choose all of these above. Then goes to question number 73. In a spreadsheet, which button you click to add up the series, number of series? So the simply way is auto sum button. To the help of the auto sum button, we can add up, means the summation, sum. Okay, and we can choose the help of auto sum button. Okay, so question number 73, answer is A. Then goes to question number 74. The order to the Excel that we are entering a formula in the cell, we must begin with the operator, and this is nothing but the equal to symbol. So students, remember that in every formulas and function in Microsoft Excel, it must be start with equal to symbol. So here question number 74, answer is B. Then goes to question number 75. how are the data organized in the spreadsheet? So spreadsheet means Excel, and specifically in Microsoft Excel, the data are organized in the form of tabular form, and tabular form means in the form of rows and columns. So question number 75, here answer is D. So students, these are the important valuable question which was asked in 2021 Revenue Inspector main examinations. So students, these are the recent questions which was asked in previous section. So based on this analysis of these questions, we are also going to discuss some important probable questions periodically in every week. So do not miss to watch our YouTube channel for the relevant question discussions. So I will be come again with a new important possible questions, near about 25 questions, and which marks is 50 question, which are very helpful for you for your upcoming main examination, and that is your Revenue Inspector main exam. Okay, so students, thank you very much watching this video today. So I have discussed the recently 2021, just recent 2021 last session of your Revenue Inspector exam. So based upon these questions, we are going to discuss some important probable question in the upcoming next session. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good night.